Hello, my dear friends. Once again, A.S.S. Science Foundation is here. So today we have a very special story from one of our students, URJA Vashishtht. So URJA have done her B.SC in Life Sciences from Kurukshetra University, and subsequently she pursued her Masters in Environmental Studies from Department of Environmental Studies, Delhi University. She was studying with us in the regular live online batch for the preparation of NET-JRF and various other PhD exams and interview. In that series, she qualified the JRF in first go in December 2023. Subsequently, she was also preparing for all the other interviews of IIT, ISER, ISC, and CSR lab with our teams and experts. In that series, she secured the final selection at Indian Institute of Technology, JODHPUR, in the PhD program. On such a remarkable feat, the entire team of A.S.S. Science Foundation would like to congratulate URJA Vashishtht and wish her good luck for the future PhD journey. Though the exam which happened in June 2024 get cancelled, but the institute is offering power pack program in the form of crash course for the same, as well as the institute is offering very comprehensive and directed approach enhanced program for the December 2024 NET-JRF along with the GATE Ecology, Evolution, Environmental Sciences and Engineering. Institute is also offering the skill enhanced courses such as data analytics with GIS and remote sensing. Institute is also offering CUET, PG, Life Sciences and Environmental Sciences programs. Institute also offer a broad range of interview preparation as well as the PhD programs. Those who are willing to pursue their masters and PhD from abroad, such as Europe and US universities, they are also most welcome. So once again, we would like to congratulate Urja Vashishtht from Delhi University on such a remarkable feat and wish her good luck for the future PhD journey. Thank you.